go again. So this time it's something that Uncle Mitchell wanted, Malachi, and for Mitchell's kids, chicken casserole. So we've got some chicken thigh fillets, so Grandma needs to cut them up. So I cut them up into sort of bite-sized pieces and put them in the casserole dish, which I've already chopped up 2 carrots. Okay, so there's 2 carrots chopped up, and now I'm adding the chicken pieces. So once I've done that, I'll add a cup of stock, and I put about 6 bay leaves in. So that's the first part of this recipe. Okay, so cut off the bits. I get the thigh fillets, chicken thigh fillets. I've got 6 chicken thigh fillets. I'll try and cut the bits of extra fat off if I can, and then just as I said, cut them into bite-sized pieces and put in the casserole dish. So the other thing we want to do, so we use, Granddad and I always have eat this with rice, and of course we put chili sauce on our rice when we cook, don't we, Granddad? And Granddad's filming this tonight. Okay, so quickly put this in. So once I've got this all ready, I'm going to put it in the microwave and for 10 minutes. Okay, so nearly getting there with the chicken. So again, cutting in bite-sized pieces. I'm going to mix it all up in a minute. Nearly there. Okay, so I've finished cutting the chicken, and I'm going to put, I've mixed that up now with the carrots. So mix that up together. Put my bay leaves in, so put them, sort of spread them around through the casserole. So I use 6. It gives it a nice flavour. If you don't like bay leaves, or you haven't got bay leaves, like Granddad, he likes soya sauce in instead. Okay. Now I got a cup of boiling water, and I added some chicken stock, a heaped teaspoon or so of chicken stock. So I pour that in. So that's done. I'll just press it, make sure the bay leaves are in the water. That's the important thing. Make sure so we can get the flavour of them in this casserole. Okay. So, and then we take them out before we eat it, of course. But we'll just leave them in there. I put the lid on the casserole, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. While that's cooking in the microwave, cut up some mushrooms. And so you have to clean them first. Mum and Dad can show you how to clean them. You have to get all the dirt off them. And so cut them up reasonably fine. And I've also got it ready to go in. Okay, so and I've also put the water on to boil to do some rice. Okay, so all while the chicken's cooking with the carrots and the bay leaves and the stock. And then we get the mushrooms ready. And I've also got some corn flour here, so I'm going to get a quarter of a cup. So I just grab my cup. Quarter of a cup of corn flour, I think it is. And I'm going to put it in a little bowl. Okay, so a couple of tablespoons of water, or maybe a little bit more. Just mix that up, and then so mix it up into a bit of a paste. So, and what I'm going to do is take some of the fluid out of the chicken. So I'll get that out and I'll show you what I do. So I've got the casserole out after 10 minutes. And we're going to, what I'm going to do is get some fluid out of here and add it to the corn flour and the water that I'd mixed up before. So we don't The problem is if you don't mix it up with a little bit of that, it can go lumpy when you put it in. So we want it to be a fairly thin paste. So we'll get some more out of here. Okay, so it's sort of a fairly thin paste. So this will thicken it. Will thicken the casserole. So I add that to the casserole. Mix it up. And I also add the peas. And the mushrooms. Okay. So I'll put it back in the microwave for another 10 minutes. So I usually put the lid on for 5 minutes, then take the lid off for the last 5. So, and mainly that's because of the size of my dish, so it doesn't overflow. But if you've got a bigger dish that you're doing in, it'll probably be fine for the full 10 minutes. And then it should be ready. Okay. Okay, nearly ready. The rice is on. Okay, so it should be ready now. Take it out. Oh. Yeah, it looks good. So we just need to take out the bay leaves. So we've got 1, 2. They're really bitter, so you don't want to eat them. 3. 4, here's another one. You might need some help with this because you'll burn your fingers. You don't want to burn your fingers. 5. There's one more hiding somewhere. See if we can find him. Oh, there he is. 6. Okay, so get a plate. It's been warmed up. We'll put some rice on. Grandad. And then we'll get some casserole. And there's dinner for Sunday night. It is yummy. Hope you enjoy it when Mummy and Daddy help you make it. And we always put chili sauce on our rice. Okay? Alright, love you boys. Have fun. Grandma signing out. Bye.